Oh, I think we found a glitch. Uh, um, wait, wait, what? Oh, I have no idea what just. Hey, what's going, guys? Abby here, and today I am playing some more Minecraft because I did the last two episodes. They were clay, so I'm doing Minecraft today, and so yeah, I uh. In next video, actually, I have like a big collection of slime, so I thought about maybe doing slime next video. Comment down below if you think we should do slime. But yeah, cause like I have like a huge collection of slime. Oh, these controls, man. Dude. Oh, do I break it? Again, I forgot how to break it. How do I shift? Oh yeah, there. Oh. I think we found a glitch. Um. Wait. Wait. What? Oh. I have no idea what just. I have no idea what just happened. What in the world just happened? Anyways, I came over here to get some sand because I need some more glass. Well, oh my goodness. Do we have a shovel? No, we don't. I guess we're just gonna have to break this by hand. But yeah, that was hilarious. Like, what is that? Like, I just glitched on top of the thing there. That's hilarious. I think that's what I'm gonna put on like the beginning of the video before my intro. It's hilarious. But I was like, oh yeah, shift. That's how you get out of boats. Wait, what? That's hilarious. Anyways, I'm gathering the sand because I want to do like a little hallway of glass connecting to the two caves, because both of them are going to be part of my house, because I think cave houses are cool for some reason. I'm a caveman, but I'm a cave girl instead of a man, because I'm not a man, I'm a girl, so I'm a cave girl. Whatever. Anyways, I am going to get up because this should be enough sand for now, because I only have a little bit of coal. So yeah, head over to my boat, head over to my boat, head over to my boat. Yeah, this is what happens when you have nothing to say. Because I'm trying to entertain you guys. So, dude, and these boat controls are too hard. Shift. Thank you. It didn't do the weird glitch this time. Oof. Okay, let me head over here and smelt this. I gotta smelt it. And the only way of separating these things into half is doing this. Like that. That's the only way I know how to separate it. How do you separate it, guys? Can you, in the comments down below, tell me how to separate it, because I don't know how to separate it other than that, so. this in. Wait, hold on. No. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. And E and oh, there's 18 glass in here. I did not know that. There, you can smelt that. Okay, let me doot. No, no, I want T class. Okay, I am going to go over here and get a hallway. See, this is kind of like the layout of it right now, because I want it to go connect the two. No! I just wasted that glass. I'm going to put double layer on this, because double layers are obviously cool. And, yeah. So, by the way, this is Katrina, because that's my sister. And she's the one who started this, but she kind of stopped playing on it after, because she only played on this like once and then she quit. So yeah, so there's signs saying it's her house, but really it's mine right now because I'm the only one who plays on the server. Nope. I'm out. I want to get eaten alive. You could die over there, zombie. I'm good. Yeah, you go die right there. Why? There. You're dead. Doot. Okay, let's finish this double layer. Cause why not? Because like I said, double layers are cool. So there. I had the perfect amount of glass for that. Wow. Don't you guys just love it when like you have the perfect amount of glass and you didn't need any more or any less and you just have the perfect amount. I love it when that happens. Okay. E. Oh, there's no more. Coal or wood, because I was smelting it with wood because I didn't have any more coal. But we don't talk about that. So yeah, I'm gonna do it there. You see, we kind of have a problem here. Yeah, this is gonna be my doorway. There. So I can go out here. Whatever. Dude, there we go. And there we go. Why did I get my inventory? Is that? Hold on. Oof. I can't. Minecraft, why you do this to me? Shift. Yeah. Oh, this is kind of hard because I don't really shift and do this much. I only do this on Pocket Edition because on shift on Pocket Edition you could just press it once and it keeps shifting, but you actually have to hold the button down the whole time if you want to shift on PC. So that's why I only do this on Pocket Edition because it's kind of hard on PC. Oof. Especially since I don't do this much on PC. There. I'm surprised that didn't damage me from falling. Anyways, I am going to see. More coal? Seriously? You serious? Is there any coal in my chest? No, there isn't. Wood, here I come. I'm going to get some wood because I need some fuel. Ow. I'm swimming, I'm swimming. I should have used my boat, but I don't care. All I need is trees. It's about to be nighttime. What? La, la, la. Anyways, I might actually have to go back because it's about to be nighttime and I don't want to die. So, I'm going to go back to my house. So, I just wasted this time walking all the way over here. But, yay! Duh, duh, duh. Okay, I am over here now, and I am going back inside. Why am I jumping? I don't know, but yeah, let me sleep because it's about nighttime, and I don't want to be, I don't want to die. So, yeah, I am. Oh, my mouth touched the microphone. Then that's disgusting. Anyways, I am going to go get some wood now, and I won't waste my time this time. Hey, that rhyme. That I was about to say that rhyme, but there was exactly the same word time and time. So yeah. Anyways, try to sprint. Oh, there. And try. Why? Why? Do you hate me, Minecraft, or something? Like, why? Oof. Yeah, I think Minecraft hates me because it keeps, like... Oh, there's little puppies! Do I have any bones on me? Oh, I don't have any bones. Man, I want a puppy. Anyways, I'm gonna get some wood because I need some fuel. Duh. So, I'm gonna get I'm gonna chop down this tree right here. So, and by the way, while we're breaking this wood real quick, I have started a new world on my Pocket Edition, and I found a village, and I'm like making it look prettier and stuff, and I'm like helping the villagers survive, and I'm helping myself survive. But so yeah, just update on the Pocket Edition real quick, 'cause why not? Why do that? Like, that's the best thing to do when you're literally chopping down a tree. So yeah, that's just a little update on my Pocket Edition worlds, and I got a new tablet, so I only have 2 worlds when I used to have like 3, like 133. So yeah, and the reason I got a new tablet for Christmas is because I didn't have enough memory on my old tablet. And now I know why, because I had like 133 worlds on Minecraft, and apparently worlds take up like memory. So I was like, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Because I literally had like 133 worlds. So I am going to. Why did I go in my inventory? I don't know why I would do my inventory. Oh, yeah, so I could craft this wood. Oof. Yeah. I should have just shift clicked, actually. That'd be a lot more efficient, wouldn't it? So. Hey, get it. Wood in it. Oh my goodness. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna replace this with wood, and then yeah, actually there's more sand than the other one, so there. I'll put the wood in this one. How about that? So, so I will, yeah. Wait, did I? No. Whatever. Anyways, I think I might want to be starting a farm or something. I don't know. Anyways, I'll do that. Why did I say Anyways, I'll do that in the next video, because that would be good for the next video. So yeah, I'm doing that in the next video. Anyways, I think what was I about to say? I don't know what I was about to say. Don't you hate it when that happens? Like, you don't know what you were about to say? Like, that is, like, the worst thing ever. I cannot do this. I'll just do it like this, because it's easier. Like that. Well, I told you guys I was terrible at shifting. Like, absolutely terrible. So, yeah. Anyways, I am going to see how much glass has been smelted. Yeah, that seems about good. So, yeah, that seems about good. Oh my goodness. I am so running out of things to say. Anyways, I am just putting this glass here. And, yeah. So, and yeah. Why do I keep saying, like, these random things and forgetting what I'm saying? Like, and yeah, and like, like that. I keep saying those kind of things. In this video. This is the I don't know what to say video. That's what this video is gonna be titled. Probably not. So, ooh, yay! It finished. Yes, it finished. Yay! Yay! Yeah. And since I ran out of glass, what a perfect time to end the video, because I am running out of things to say. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and select that notification bell to never miss an upload. And goodbye!